Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru. In this video, I'll show you if you have lost your passport or your passport is stolen, how to get that. So go on gov.uk, write lost passport. Click on it. You will get the option cancel a lost or stolen passport. Click on the first one. It will say cancel a lost or stolen passport. You must cancel a lost or stolen passport as soon as possible. This will reduce the risk of anyone else using passport your identity. So just click start now in the UK, abroad. So this case is in the UK. Then after that, it will gives you all the details. You can't use the 1-day premium service if you are replacing a lost passport. So what we are trying to do first in this video, we are trying to report it online, and then after that we will apply for a replacement passport. But just now I'm reporting it online, so I'll click on this link. Who is the passport holder? So I'll select you. You can also report it for someone else. So for example, for your friend, etc. So just now you, and do you want to confirm your contact detail using gov.uk one login? So we are not doing that at the moment. No, continue without gov.uk one login. Now it's asking for the passport number. Enter your passport number. If you don't know your passport number, then in that case, you can look for the photocopy of your passport somewhere. If you have a picture, if you have a travel booking, you can try to figure it out from there. The passport number is 9 digits and it start from 502. It looks like this. So it's 9 digit starting from 5. It is maybe on your visa application. You can find it. If you cannot provide your passport number, then in that case, just leave this blank. Okay, just now we have the passport number, so we will put the details in. So we will enter first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, where you were born in the UK, and the town of birth. After that, click continue. It will ask what happened to your passport. Was the passport lost or stolen? In this case, the passport was stolen. Now, if you click stolen, it will take you to the other option. All these options. If you click lost, it will take you to these options. When we click stolen while socializing, mugged from home, while traveling, I don't know another reason. And when you click lost while socializing, at home, while moving house, while traveling, I don't know another reason. So in this case, we will put at home. Where was the passport was stolen? City. So you mention that. And then you will mention your country, like which country it was. When was the passport lost or stolen? So you put the date over here. Just now we'll put I'm not sure. So I have put the reason, another reason, my motorhome had fires, so all my documents burned down. And city, Cambridge, country, United Kingdom. I'm not sure, it was roughly 2020 when the passport was burned down. How to confirm your passport has been cancelled? So when we cancel your passport, we'll send you a reference number. You can use this number when you apply for a replacement passport. Would you like to use us to send this reference number? So by text message, so you provide your mobile number, your phone number, we'll cancel your passport as quickly as possible. After we receive your report, we'll send you confirmation when it's been done. In a few cases, we need more information before canceling a passport. If this happens, we'll need a daytime number. We can call you. So you select the country code. So obviously United Kingdom, put your number over here. Now I'll click continue, and after that it gives me the check your answers. So all these details which I have provided, these details are correct. I'll click on it and then it will take me to the declaration page. Passport office will use this information I have provided to cancel my passport after it's been cancelled. My old passport can't be used or reinstated, even if it's found or returned to me. So the information which I have provided is best. I agree, submit. Your cancellation request has been submitted. What happens now? We will cancel your passport and send you a reference number using details provided. If you have any question, we'll give you a call in next 24 hours. The call will be from this phone number 0300. If you find your old passport again, if you find the cancelled passport, it must be sent back to us to be destroyed. It cannot be used for travel or for identity purpose. And that's how you submit your report if your passport is stolen.